been ready since 10:30 a.m. and they want to smoke weed. All I want to do is go to the beach. Good morning, guys. It's 4th of July, and I'm about to go get ready to head out to the beach with Alejandra, Annabelle, and the rest of the gang. I'll see you when I get dressed. Okay, guys, this is when I'm riding to the beach. You know, basic fit, calm fit, simple fit. My bright ass shorts. Ew. My bright ass shorts. I can't even speak right now. Oh, I'm sleep deprived. What's good? Boom. 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 Ooh, Brian caked up. It's 11:05 and we were supposed to meet up and leave at 11. So I'm just waiting for everyone to hit me up so I can head out my house. Well, look good. Alright, y'all, it's 12 o'clock and we still not leaving. Like, I went to sleep at 5 and I woke up at 9 just to get ready to be early. I'm cranky, I'm hungry, and I'm tired. If we don't leave in the next half hour, I'm gonna make a show. Look who's here. Happy 4th of July. Bad bitch, Alejandra, Dionelys. Hey.
GB, people know me here. Stop.
GB, I'm so excited. Like,
Brian, do not zoom in my face. Don't do it.
I don't want to just come in jeans.
No, seriously, I don't have to.
Annabelle, hurry the fuck up. I want to leave. I've been ready since fucking 10:30, and now is that Annabelle Garcia realizes she don't got no fucking pants to wear.
So you was waiting for me, you stupid. Like, you was waiting to just record.
Yes, bitch, I was. Hurry up. Fucking bum ass bitch. You wait for me, wait for me. Oh, you gonna salir? Dios mío. Can I help you? People staring at me. You're not about to carry that towel. Look like a raggedy ass fucking
It's gonna
ghetto
go in
ass
my bag,
bitch.
Brian. I just don't want my neighbors
okay.
to see me like that.
Okay. Look at the skin now. Who's this? Where's your mother?
She's
Come
in the
get
store.
her. Look at you.
Shut the fuck up. Right, we could go now. I mean, well, they're all in Destiny's house.
Who's all of them?
Dionelys and Destiny are in Destiny's house.
Dio, my fave. The fuck?
She's upstairs, yeah.
Let's go. I'm gonna comfort that bitch. Yeah, I know. I've been waiting since fucking 10:30 o'clock in the motherfucking morning. And Annabelle texted me come through to her house.
My charger isn't working!
Sounds like a you problem. Annabelle texted me come through and I came through. Me and I came through. We wait for the other half of the party. Guess what they doing? They fucking smoking weed. ¿Cuál es la necesidad de fumar tanta mierda, señores? Hookah, marijuana, cocaína, crack. ¿Cuál es show? All I want to do is go to the fucking beach. Damn. What you look like, Annabelle? Like a fucking mosquito?
Stop hating. Okay, haters gonna hate.
Hating on what?
On me. Excuse you?
And started hating on me.
Bitches, you.
Attention!
This is how a bad bitch wears sunglasses.
You put the kitty to spell sunglasses.
I wanna know why Dio got a whole confetti fan on her fucking purse.
Wow.
Yeah, though.
I'm bougie. What about my name?
Bougie, that's Party City.
That was my bitch.
There's a lot of things that I'm gonna do. Wow, what? What? What?
I cannot.
I cannot. Okay, I didn't introduce you. Well, I'm here with Destiny, Dio, Ali J, bad bitch on Zach, and Annabelle.
Stop playing!
Waiting for Destiny, and the rest of the gang is gonna meet us at the beach.
At the beach.
Also, you wasn't recording?
At the beach. Where did I get that from? At the beach.
We the best music, DJ. La sensación del bloque, Ali J, las divas. Wow. La modelo quiere fotos. Fui. Chequea cómo se menea. After 3 motherfucking trains, we made it. Coño.
I got 2 baddies in front of me. I think I'm gonna lick them like ice.
Oh, Nikki is shaking right now. Who? Look for a spot, but there's mad people. Like, what are we finding? Nothing. There's nowhere to go. Bueno, que no pase de nosotros, because who told us to get here at 4 o'clock in the afternoon to the beach on 4th of July? Are we gonna get a spot? We would have thought. And she got a whole 5-course meal. Why? Que yo soy un modelo. Wow.
Ay.
Ay.
Wow.
Ay. Ay. Ay.
Yo también, yo te
Ay.
Ay.
The water came to our spot, and now we have to evacuate the premises, and we don't know where to go because there's mad heads. Great. Because Annabelle wants to be here, but the rest of the squad is all the way over there. Cake taking off her little shorts. Wow. Wow. Surf's up. Wow. Y'all hear that? Like, what the hell? Who trying to drown out? This is a shark or something? But why you mad?
I'm not mad.
Why you unbothered?
Because I want to get in the water and they can fuck it out.
Cremation! Wu-Tang. Now leaving the beach.
I'm so tired.
I'm gonna go to Coney to see these fireworks, but we trying to go home.
I go race it on the brown nigga.
I'm friends with Rihanna, circa Rude Boy, circa What's My Name, circa Red Hair, wow.
Oh my god.
Oh, nah, nah, what's my name?
Dionelys! I love you, Dionelys!
What's my name? What's my name? I don't know if you could take it. Upset?
Yes, because I've been ready since 10:30 a.m. and they want to smoke weed. All they want to do is go to the beach. Hey, but you think bad, yo?
Oh my god. Wait.
Oh, that's not it. That's not it.
Oh shit. It's nice for my arm.
There's bitch in Helen. I bet you got you on that bitch you felon. I am the Dionelys queen. Ask Miss Ellen. What I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. What I'm with you, what I get is wild thoughts.
I'm black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop.
Hood for less than 2 minutes and then they go popping these firecrackers. Watch. They ridiculous.